When are they gonna fix that fucking road? I'll probably be dead though. Yo, happy Sunday everybody. Although it might not be Sunday when I upload this. Hopefully it is. But now I'm on my way to see Joker. I wanted to let all the hype die down, all the fucking weirdos and shit. And I'm going there on a Sunday morning instead of at night. Just don't gotta deal with crowds. And my theater, my auditorium is barely even attended. Today is like 68 degrees. It started off at like 62 this morning. And it's peaking at 68, and you know, you got a nice little breeze and the sun is not even out, so it's kind of like it's proper fall right now, which I like. I love, man. That's what I really look for. That's when I really enjoy the ride. So I don't got to worry about moving, because you know, in New York City you can't necessarily move at times. That's why I was like, you know, taking a ride downtown or to Manhattan and stuff like that, it's not necessarily practical when it comes to parking. Weather like this is not too far off from like 40s, 50s, you know, which has me kind of worried. Like, I need to finish this BMW ASAP. Like, this thing needs to be done already. I'm moving quick right now to the point that I'm like fucking broke. Right now it's like delegation season, man. So I gave up my throttle bodies for a rebuild. He's gonna polish them up, make them look pretty. I gave up the wheels to the powder coater. And I already took the bike to Keith, so we already finished the frame modifications that I've been rambling on about. What are you doing, buddy? All right. I got the throttle bodies being worked on as we speak. We did a bunch of stuff, but the main thing that we did was re-angling the subframe, like I said we would. And you'll get to see how that looks. And somehow we managed to do it perfectly on the first try. You know, not counting the first try when we welded it, but I'm saying, like, when we bent it back, it lined up perfectly, which is like fantastic, because we ain't necessarily use any protractors or nothing, and we was off a couple beers too, so but yeah, actually I just spill the fucking beans. I actually went with gold wheels, so I'm going with like kind of like almost like a sparkly gold, you know, that powder coat gold that everybody be running. It's a gold with like a little bit of a sparkle in it, and we're gonna go with a satin clear coat instead of a glossy one, you know, just to kind of dull it out a little bit. Because with the front end, I kind of locked myself into like either running black wheels, silver wheels, or gold wheels. And maybe you could stretch and say blue on account of the fork tops, the preload adjusters. But that's a reach, you know, because then you gotta start putting blue everywhere else on the bike instead of that little touch. So I was like, you know what, fuck it, we just gonna run gold, and then whatever with the rest of the bike, we're gonna follow up. I don't get people that cross the street like that. It's fucking stupid. I actually thought ahead, and instead of buying anything interesting this paycheck, I went ahead and bought some engine covers, because the ones on the bike, they're all scratched up and they're gouged, and you can't get that out with just powder coat in it. Like the fins that everybody kind of like polishes when they paint the rest of the engine cover, the fins are like basically gone in the front because the bike has been down so many fucking times. And when I go pick up the wheels, I'm gonna drop off the engine covers, paint the engine, and then throw the powder coated engine covers on it, working my way back. Like to make that right turn from the middle lane a lot, so I had to get a little bit loud. And what the fuck is this caddy doing? The famous spot where I got pulled over by 800 cops. I gotta change out like the clutch plate. I don't have to, but I probably should. I'll see how I feel about it, because it didn't slip at all. I didn't have any slippage problems. So me doing it now would just be like preventative maintenance. So I gotta see how I feel about that one. But like, you know, gaskets, all these different things, painting, I'll probably get the running gear up to snuff by the time next episode drops. Especially once I get the throttle bodies back, you know, throw those shits on top, it's gonna look fucking mint. Yo, the Barclays Center looks like a rusty boat. Come on, don't jaywalk, my guy. wanted to give a little quick update. And for those of you on Patreon, go on Patreon because I have a visual like demonstration of what we did. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get this out for Sunday. It's gonna be a simple vlog, so I should be able to do that after I leave the movie theater.